guys, welcome back to Asal's World. Do you want to know what the secret ingredient is to the world's best chocolate chip cookie ever? Keep watching.
Okay.
Now what?
Where's the
Ingredients? Let's see. Clap your hands and see what happens.
Wow.
Okay, here is our ingredients. I will link this below in the description box. Okay, are you ready, madam?
Yes.
All right. First, we will take our flour and put it in a big bowl. Which one is our flour?
Yes.
Close. What about in the bigger yellow bowl? Yes, that's our flour. Take the flour and dump it in the bowl. Good job.
That did sound just happy.
Take our cornstarch.
Or this?
That's an egg. Right beside the egg is the cornstarch. Cornstarch, good. What's next?
Next the bowl.
The baking soda. Okay, the baking soda. What's next?
Salt.
Okay, put the salt in.
This?
Yes, oops.
That's okay. We don't clean after.
We're gonna clean after, yes. Good.
All together.
You're gonna mix it all together. Okay, Asal is mixing all of our dry ingredients together. Mix, mix, mix. Good job. Okay, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna mix the wet ingredients together. Now, time for the wet ingredients. Okay, what are we gonna do next?
The egg.
The egg. Okay, what are we gonna do with the egg?
I'm going to put it here.
And what's in there?
This water.
Looks like water, but it's butter.
This one.
Butter, yes. Dump it. Oh, good job. And then what's next?
This.
And what's that?
Water.
Water. It's vanilla extract. Good enough. Good job. Good job, baby. And then you're gonna mix it together. Mix, 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 mix. Good girl.
Very yummy.
Oh, how does that taste?
Yeah, it's tasty.
Okay. Did you mix it well? No, I still see the egg yolk in there. Mix, 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 mix. Keep mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Good job, baby. All right. Now what's next?
Put it in here.
That's right.
I'm going to dump it.
You dump it.
Everyone look.
Keep mixing, mixing, mixing.
Mix, 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 mix.
Hold on a second. We forgot something.
Yes.
What did we forget?
Chocolate chip stuff.
Well, it goes at the end, but we forgot the brown sugar.
Yes, the brown sugar.
Oh no, put in the brown sugar. It's not too late yet.
Yes. Now?
Okay. What's happening?
What's happening?
It's hard to get it out. Good job. And now we mix it.
Yes. Food coloring.
What about the what?
Food coloring.
Food coloring for what? Oh yes, we have to turn it into an orange chocolate chip cookie. All right.
I can help you more.
Here you go, baby. Dump that in. Whoa.
How to mix it?
Time to mix it. What are you going to use?
I'm gonna use that.
You can use your hands.
Okay. But it must be dirty.
That's okay.
No, I want to mix it with that.
Okay.
Yes, tight.
All right. This is how the dough looks, guys. Put in the chocolate chip. Whoa.
Time to mix it.
Mix, mix, mix.
That feels really good.
Oh, good. Look at the color. It's so orange.
Yes. Wow. Mommy, so orange over here.
Ooh. Oop.
Just, I like this color.
Okay, now we will put aside the dough to chill and rest. And we will see you soon. Look at the camera. We'll see you soon.
See you soon. So what, we're not done yet.
No, we're not done yet. No, we're gonna put the dough in the fridge to rest for about 2 to 3 hours, okay?
Yes.
Where was the cookie dough?
Cookie dough.
Where was it resting?
Oh, over here.
Over in the bowl, but it was in the fridge.
Like,
It was chilling in the fridge for 3 hours. Now we will roll our cookie dough in tiny little balls and then put it on the, what's this?
fridge.
Tray.
Tray.
We're gonna roll it and then put it on the tray. Ready?
Yes, I'm gonna roll it now.
Okay, roll it, but you're gonna roll it
Like
and make it in
this?
small little balls.
Like this?
I'll show you. Good. Let's see. Good. Put it on the tray. Good. Okay, next one. All right, and what did you do, Asal?
We put more chocolate chip.
Well, yes, you rolled up the dough and we flattened up a little bit on top.
Yes.
Pressed it down. You pressed it down. Okay, how about, don't dump your chocolate chip. How about you take a few chocolate chip and put it on top of the cookie dough.
Okay, guys, time to go to the oven.
Put the tray in the oven.
Oven. Okay, here, Mama.
Ew.
Ew!
What are you gonna do with our hands?
We need to wash them. It's clean.
Let's see. Ooh, good. Are you excited for the cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still in the oven.
It's still in the oven. We gotta wait.
But I
Wait.
I see the cookies.
Yes, and it's baking. Do you smell it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It's ready now. It's ready. It's ready, Mama.
Cookies are ready?
Yes.
Let's check.
You see. Eat it?
What are you doing right now?
Eating it.
Eating it. Okay, let's see how the cookies turned out. Wow, good job, Asal. You did really good. And who did you bake the cookies for?
For me.
For you. You're gonna have all of them? You're gonna share with me?
No.
No, just by yourself, huh?
So good.
This is your second cookie, huh?
Mhm.
You highly approve of this. You like it? You're honest with me.
Yes, and after I need to wash my hands.
And your face. All that chocolate on your face and lips and teeth.
Not cheat.
You have chocolate on your teeth. That looks funny. Okay, bye guys.
Bye bye, guys.
See you next time.
See you next time.